ay magdi-discuss tayo about learning task 19. In preparation for week 8, week 7 and 8. This week is week 7 and next week is week 8. So, mga additional task. By that time, ito yung mga gagawin nyo. So, sa learning task 19, sort out the adjectives in the word bank below using the graphic organizer. Write your answers in your notebook. Na-discuss ko na po ang kinds of adjectives sa isa kong video kung ano ang descriptive, demonstrative, interrogative, adjective of number, and possessive. Ngayon po, i-recall lang po natin kung ano-ano ulit ang mga ito. Sa descriptive adjective, ito yung mga salita na naglalarawan before a noun. All of these actually are used before a noun. Kaya po sila adjectives. Okay, but what kind of adjective? Okay, ang isang word na katabi ng isang noun. So, we have descriptive, no? Pag ito ay naglalarawan like maganda, masikip, mataas, matangkad, kulay, height, okay, color, height, age, opinion, kind of material, nandito po yan sa descriptive adjective. So, yung mga beautiful, sexy, nice, artificial, Japanese, yung Japanese, a Japanese lady. Oh. So, yung Japanese na yun is adjective yun, and it is a descriptive adjective. Okay, sa demonstrative naman, ito yung mga adjectives na tumutukoy no, sa malayuan at malapitan. Na, that bag, sa malayo, this bag, sa malapitan. Pag maramihan, sa malayo, those bags. And pag maramihan na sa malapit, ay these bags. Sa interrogative, ito yung pag nagtanong nga tayo ng 5WH and how questions, di ba? Nagsisimula yun sa who, what, when, where, why, and how. So, halimbawa, which bag, whose car. Okay, so doon yun sa interrogative. And then, we have adjective of number. Ito naman yung adjective or word na katabi ng noun. Okay, na tutukoy sa bilang or how many. So, we have 3 trees. O, yung 3 ay adjective of number yan. Many dogs, yung salitang many is adjective of number. Few, yun. More. And then, the possessive naman, kapag ito ay tutukoy sa pamamayari ng isang tao. Okay, like for example, his house, her shoes, their belongings, o yung mga my, our, their, your, his, her, before a noun, possessive adjective yun. It shows possession. Okay, so, yan po, pag kayo ay nagsagot, lakihan nyo yung bilog. Huwag naman kasing laki nito, okay? Lakihan nyo po yung bilog para kumasya po yung mga salitang ipapasok dito, okay? Alright, so sa nice, descriptive, sa which, interrogative, long, descriptive, our, possession, okay? Beautiful, descriptive, these, demonstrative, my, possessive, new, descriptive, cold, descriptive, that, demonstrative, strong, descriptive, many, adjective of number, few, adjective of number, this, demonstrative, what, interrogative, rich, descriptive, creamy, descriptive, 10, adjective of number, their, possessive, those, demonstrative, whose, interrogative, your, possessive, more, adjective of number, her, possessive, and each, adjective of number. So, I hope nakatulong.